We have with us Mr. Rakesh Jain, Chief Executive Officer of Reliance General Insurance. Mr. Jain, first of all, congratulations on the announcement of your IPO.
Well, thank you so much.
Could you start off by telling us a little bit about the contours of the IPO?
Now, I think general insurance is a growing story. It's a big story. It's a part of the India story. India is growing. The consumption in India is certainly going to multiply over the next 2-3 decades. And clearly we see insurance growing up in that segment. The growth for us in the past has been very strong. Reliance General Insurance has grown faster than the industry. And we thought from a market perspective also the timing was good. And I think whenever a growth story has got created in Reliance, it's always been an endeavor to come at large and share it with multiple investors. And that's what we are intending to do this time also.
So you're hoping to achieve 10% by 2018, you said, and a dilution of how much thereafter?
So basically the guidelines prescribed by SEBI requires us to divest a minimum of 10 and going up to 25 over 3 years. We intend to follow these guidelines.
And given the regulatory procedure that needs to be followed, what is a realistic timeline within which you're looking to come out with a draft red herring prospectus?
Now, I can only presume and say that we are working hard to see that most of the approvals we get as quickly as possible, and we want to certainly complete the process within this financial year.
So there is a Lombard report which is valuing your IPO at 24,000 crores, while there are some brokerages which are saying 5,000 crores. Given that you have a 3% stake, 3% market share, which one do you think is realistic?
That's difficult for me to comment. I guess you'll understand. But I think the sector is doing very well. Within the sector, we are also doing reasonably well. So I guess it's the market forces which will actually decide what each company gets as a value.